have made it through the 4th of July weekend. It is back to work. So we have this last remaining wall to come out. We're gonna tackle this today, get rid of all of the insulation, and then we are gonna go under the camper and pull out some nails that are just holding the aluminum to a frame. The plan will be to unbolt the body. It's held on by 4 bolts. We're gonna just take the whole body off, and then we'll be able to have just a metal frame that we can put the new axle, weld in some new supports, and sandblast and paint the whole thing. Let's see how it goes. So now that the interior is all stripped, we need to take out these nails that are holding this aluminum to the frame. Wish me luck. These nails are in there pretty good. And my second hammer that I found in the camper, its head's also about to fall off. So we're gonna try to find a better hammer to get this done. Didn't find a hammer, but I found another rusty, crusty old tool inside the camper. We're gonna see if this one works. Problem is, this job is gonna break a nail. To my husband, who said, if you look at these nails wrong, they're gonna fall out, you're a liar. This is a pain in the ass. I'll be here all day. Whew. After a couple of hours, we have got it completely cleaned out. It's getting warm in here today, so I'm going to take a break. Next project will be taking all of these old nests out. Basically, the bees made a home anywhere there was a tiny hole. So next time I come in here, I will be knocking down all the hives, be cutting the wire out, a little bit of wiring in here. And then I will most likely be taking all the window frames off and then cleaning all of the studs of nail heads. That's my next project. My husband's next project will be unbolting the body from the frame and then getting to work on the frame. Our plan is to get a little faux propane tank to hide a battery source to run all of the lighting for the interior. Starting to rain here today, so I'm gonna move these cabinets back in. I'm hoping to use them as a template, if not save the faceplates themselves. So keeping them dry through the process, moving them back in and calling it quits for today.